Investing for Beginners Series Part 2, Euphoria Research. Hi Euphorians, we hope you've enjoyed our previous video where we talked about the style of financial planning. Now continuing to that series, this video will cover the topic of financial budgeting. It will revolve around the financial willingness for investments, or in simpler terms it will talk about the question of how much money you should put in the market. Although you might believe you need significant money to establish a portfolio, you can start investing with even as low as 100 rupees. Having this said, the most crucial factor is to ensure that you consistently make investments over time, not the amount of money you start with. But there might be a question that may be coming to your mind: what if there's an emergency that needs to be addressed? Therefore, the most crucial step before investing is to establish an emergency fund. Emergency fund refers to the money that has been set aside in a way that allows for a speedy withdrawal. You never want to be compelled to liquidate/sell these investments at a time of financial hardship, because every investment, whether it be in stocks, mutual funds, etc., carries some level of risk. And thus emergency fund will act as a cushion during these hard times of economic uncertainties. The majority of financial experts recommend that the optimal amount for an emergency fund should be sufficient enough to cover expenses/costs for 6 months. Although this is unquestionably a good aim, you may not need this much reserve before you can invest. Pro tip: before beginning to invest, it's a good idea to pay off all the high-interest debt, like credit card debt. Consider this: the equity market had historically generated gains of 9% to 10% every year. You place yourselves in a situation to lose funds over the long run if you make investments at these kinds of returns and pay your creditors interest rates of 16%, 18%, or greater at the same time. The last video of this series will be covering the most important aspect of investing, the risk appetite. Subscribe to us to get a notification as soon as that video goes out. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more such content, log in to our website www.euphoriaresearch.com.